Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel, checking out this video. Just wanted to show you guys a bracket that I made. Instead of buying the overpriced Simpson tie ones. This is the top middle of my house. It's where my two beams meet on top of my tree. And these bolts go right through. We've got 10. Going right through the plate. The plate's probably 3 times as thick as a Simpson tie one. It's heavy, so these are not going anywhere. It's actually more of a decorative because it's all bolted down before I even put the bracket on. But this is definitely going to make sure that this doesn't go anywhere. So I already had the bolts. They are 7-inch bolts. So the actual beam is a 6x10, so it worked out perfectly. Didn't have to buy any hardware. They were left over from another job. And no need for lock washers, just a nice big flat washer on both sides. And there you go. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Please subscribe and like.